All right, let's talk about how you can round up in Excel. So here we just have some random numbers here with decimals, and what we want to do is we want to round all of these up to a certain decimal place. Now there's a formula or function that you can use in Excel that makes this super easy to do. All you need to do is hit equals in the cell that you're looking to round the number, type round up, select that function or formula, select the number you're looking to round, and then hit comma, and this is where you're going to want to put the number of digits. Now whatever number you put here is to what decimal or to what place it will round the number. For example, with 4.55, if I put 1, it will round to the first decimal place. This should round up to 4.6. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that rounds up to 4.6. And then instead of typing this formula each time for each number we want to round up, if you click this little square in the bottom right corner of the cell and drag that down, that formula will copy all the way down. As you can see, 6.07 goes to 6.1, and these were not rounded since they're already at the first decimal place. So for these numbers, we have a few more decimal places. So what we want to do is we actually want to round to the third decimal place. We can go ahead and hit enter, and then drag that down, and then we can see that that will be rounded like so. And if you wanted to round to just a whole number, you can just hit 0, and that will round to 5, and so on and so forth. But there you have it. That's how you can round up in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.